Welcome to CTWWTAA Coffee Talk, where we talk about acronyms. AI, artificial intelligence, is everywhere. Your phone, your car, even that chatbot that you're pretty sure isn't a real person, it's AI. But here's the thing, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. And if that data isn't secure, compliant, or governed, that's going to be a problem. That's where AI TRiSM comes in. Here's the acronym: Artificial Intelligence, Trust, Risk, and Security Management. Think of it like quality control for AI, making sure the models are secure, responsible, and playing by the rules. And Big ID, we take AI TRiSM to the next level. Our platform helps you discover and classify AI data so you know exactly what's being used. We enforce policies and safeguards because oops is not a viable security strategy. Manage risk at scale without slowing down innovation. One of our customers, a leading genetic testing company, needed to secure AI-driven data in AWS while staying HIPAA compliant. With Big ID's AI TRiSM solution, they identified and classified sensitive patient data, PHI and ePHI. They determined which data was safe for AI use without exposure risk. They were able to enforce security policies to block unauthorized access. And they stayed compliant without slowing down AI innovation. They didn't just hope their AI was secure, they knew it was. So here's the question: are you managing your AI data security risk with AI TRiSM, or are you just crossing your fingers and hoping and trusting the AI gods? If you want AI you can trust, you need AI TRiSM done right. And that's what Big ID delivers. So let's do it right. Let's do it with Big ID. And that's been CTWWTAA Coffee Talk, where we talk about acronyms.